At BMW, we've always believed that driving is all about you, the driver. So 24 years ago, we created BMW iDrive and designed new standards for driver orientation that have continuously evolved, all for creating a truly smarter drive. Today, we reimagined the cockpit from scratch, placing comfort and control in your hands, turning the center stage toward you and delivering the right information, the right time, in the right place, formed purely around you. Created to keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Reinventing driver orientation with the first ever BMW Panoramic iDrive.